To get daily update for my delicious new recipes, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that red subscribe button. After subscribing, click on the bell button to get daily notifications. Hello friends, welcome back to Sister's Kitchen India. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare chili fish. So to prepare chili fish, here we have taken small pieces of basa fish. Now I'm going to add some seasoning into this. I'm adding some salt and some pepper powder. After that, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour. Now I'm going to marinate it properly and keep it aside. Now it's time to fry all the marinated fish pieces. As you can see, we have taken a big pan in which I am adding some white oil. I'll let it get heated for some time, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. And once it's hot, we are going to fry our marinated fish pieces. So we have fried all the fish pieces. Now it's time to make the chili fish. As you can see, we have taken the same oil in which we are going to add chopped green chili, ginger and garlic. Here we have taken 4 cloves of garlic, 1 centimeter of ginger and 2 green chilies. Now we are going to fry them for a while. As you can see, it has turned little golden brown in color. Now we are going to add our veggies. Here we have taken 1 big onion, 1 red bell pepper and 1 green bell pepper cut into cubes. We have added them into this and will be frying it for some time. Now I'm going to add some pepper powder on top of it, followed by 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here I am using dark soy sauce. Please keep it in your mind that I haven't added salt yet because it will make the veggies soggy, so I'll add it later on. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup into this. If you want, you can use hot sauce as well. Lastly, I'm going to add some salt. You have to make sure that you're adding salt according to your taste because the soy sauce has salt already. And once the veggies are fried properly, now it's time to add the fish pieces. And after adding them, we'll cover it with all the veggies properly. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the chili fish is done. Now we are going to garnish it with some chopped spring onions. Friends, if you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you so much and have a good day.